color basket. Doon parang doon po ilalagay yung mga color na hanap. Then meron din po kami basket stand na gagamitin. So meron din po kami play mats na gagamitin na meron, alam niyo po yung play mats is colorful din po siya na gagamitin. So naglagay po kami ng ropes dyan. So yung ropes po niyan gagamitin po siya sa play area po dun sa parang area po namin na paglalaroan. So meron din po kami chair na gagamitin. Tapos meron po, naglagay po kami ng observation tools. Then yung kaya po naglagay po kami ng music play para ma-excite yung mga bata sa lalaro. So ito po yung shade area kung saan po pwede po sila magpahinga or pag napagod po sila, meron po sila area na pagpapahinga.
Children will be divided into 4 groups. Each group will receive a color card. A color card will red, blue, purple, or green. Around the play area, various color objects such as red pom-poms, blue feathers, forward brush toys, and green toys will be scattered. Children will search for objects that match their group's color card. Once they find items of the assigned color, they place them in their team's color basket. After completing the hat, groups can switch cards and go on another color hat.
Rules. Each can start with one color. Children must look for objects around the play area that match their color card. Only one object may be carried at a time. Collected objects must be placed in the same matching color. Once all objects of color are found, children may delete their card and choose a new color. Children must stay in the play area boundaries. Children should not grab from others and must wait their turn if space is crowded. If tired, children can take a break in shaded resting area. The game ends when all objects are found or when teachers call time.
Okay, so ito na po yung mga developmental benefits or yung makukuha nila pag nilaro nila yung color hand card. So first, physical development. Children build gross motor skills by running, bending, and reaching for objects. Fine motor skills are enhanced when they pick up and place small items in baskets. Navigating the play space improves balance, coordination, and spatial awareness. Cognitive development. So children strengthen color recognition by matching objects to their color cards. The game promotes memory and attention as they search for specific items. Sorting and classifying by color supports game, early logic, and problem-solving skills. Social and emotional development. Children practices cooperation and teamwork as they complete group tasks, making their turn, and following rules, development, patience, and self-motivation. Successfully finishing a color hand builds confidence and a sense of achievement. Environmental awareness. Playing in a natural setting fosters curiosity and appreciation for the nature. Searching for the object enhances observation and attention in the legal room, scanning their surroundings, and using and respecting shared materials teaches responsibility and care.
After the area design. As students in our